Greetings abana bomuka abempako, as usual amabara gange JT Apulye yange, and today I'm blessed to have a beautiful
Kirungira cha moti.
Kiro mbaletire he female face ekimanyire yange mbere mugimanyirire obundi mugijwahire though kimbere mutakagijwahira bokuba mbeni munyoleka love in the comment section na buli kimu. Have you been following my channel?
I've been following. Isanga on TikTok. I started following.
Oh wow. Luckily enough guys, bojo na beisiki kiro kino ntongera omugenyo omurungi muno. By the way, akantu kano abwaki it's so hard. Abeisiki ko replying a messages when someone has sent you a message on TikTok and someone has been your friend or following. Eventually somewhere saying this person is following you, but when they send you a message, it is always hard for you people to reply bwangu.
It's not that easy. Kirinko omuntu, of course omuntu watamanyi physically no manyire. It's different yo replying ngira mwa teso kuingana. Like onkuba amanyire ni nyangwa kumreplying abito onkuba ntamanyi it take long.
Hakuba nkakueleza message nkakueleza mu January. This is when we've made January, February, March, April, May, June. Actually today is 2nd June, 1st June.
Okay.
And finally I have you in the show. By the thank you Motimbeni following. Thank you for the passion. You benoleka for the Batoro Banyoro. Akuba in one of your groups that you know.
Kandi abantu bana bo wetu tunakwikara hingana.
Abimpako batahibeito abatoro Banyoro. Guys, Rachel Kirungi Amoti, she's a very active member of Abana Bomuka. There is an organization already. It's called Abana Bomuka Atwoki. Is it Atwoki
Jones?
Yeah. And you're already a member. You actually nkagenda kujoininga, maybe you're already there, right?
Yeah, kandi mo of course we actively be there. Activities za kutekayo trips pia na tubatili charity.
Hati obunabeina Tokyo obunabeina that kind of movement. It also hindered me kugamba let me also plan something for our people. And good thing our people are showing me positivity on the channel.
It's a good idea. It keeps us together. Right?
Keeps us socializing. By the way, guys, if you didn't know, Tuli on every social media platform, on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Hanwa, TikTok, na bemkuturo, right? Yeah. Please kindly go check out our YouTube channel, Abempako Podcast. Share, like, comment, and subscribe, Charlie. Let's keep spreading the love. Just like today, I've met Amot. It's my first time meeting and we are interacting. So we are open, by the way. If you'd really want to come and join us, if you'd really want to share something, maybe a story, we can easily invite you in and join us. Amoti, is there anything you would want to put out to the society, to express a certain feeling or
maybe wazaha batoro Banyoro batabeito akanyito abempako
oine mu kunyigezebwa kuona kwa batahibeito kuba barundi
kunyigezebwa kulemu kunyigezebwa kulemu kutangana omutoro mutahi wange twena tuli mu kikaro cyo weitu kura okimanya oli mukubaza Uganda ni rukunyiga no mpura nimbaza urutoro still nenda kumbaliza Uganda habwaki like no sanazif toli proud kuba mutoro.
By that way, I've also been offended by that, but usually obuntekereza mu how no muntu have just met this person. I never take it that person, but tukimbi his a guy yoboli nsanga kabarolo boli nsanga 40 mu town akube junior town almost to gate itwena oboli nsanga ibojo talimba za limirundi ruona kwesengeri
over character mnito manyire like mu region yetu omuganda natangana omuganda mtahu natandikira ho kubaza nawe mu rulimi olwabo bitu why itwe
mwana habwaki guys tituzi kubatera kiboko by the but leka tukaterekereze mwaka akakereka tugonza olime lwetu nyoni ndugonza. I'm proud of who I am.
Tina kuba proud aho kwa batoro banyoro nito gamati no representing amero kuboli no hurira kaliao no huro mtoro mtahi wao no bazana utu.
True.
No kutanka kumbaliza ebindi kanini bukonyiga.
By the way, anka kora research yange nko muntu, I've realized abatoro being in the diaspora. Have you ever realized that?
I realized that over kozere their meetup.
Was it in Dubai, Abu Dhabi?
Kabe Dubai their meetup.
Hati nyowe I've met a few when I got a chance of traveling. I met a few, but maybe this is the time these people are realizing kweja hayo. Yeah, they starting right now rundi kikita hao nkabanyo ntakimanyire.
Nyonka ntakiraga nwentani kikira, but I think zin get together za kunu oba kuzurora nicho kiba pushing nikinka abana bomuka bakora get together nabo ya pushinga kuraba amanyangana mbitweka hambere bali.
True. By the atoke webalo mulimo ogu obunani ntandika this program ninjuka. I thanked you. You're one of my headliners of the program. Just because it was a very nice thing. Along such events, that is where we get connections. Amote, are you aware our music hasn't been doing good? Is it? Should I take it that way, Rundi?
Our music, ngambe, it was boring. Kind of timanyi. But that's how I can say it.
Kuba, why we brought it like this? Enyuma habereho urutaro rwa AI music. Kandi in actual sense this AI music ningira abojo bakwikara, they become creative. That is when they come up with such songs. But these songs have been embraced a lot, but our artists on ground are not happy about it. Abakwa tebakubarora. Tebakubarora, they are not getting bookings enungi within Kampala kuno. They are not showing up on main events. Let's say ba ekaba enkuka ya ekanetandika this year. Irene Hindo bamu inviting. Wasn't she the only Toro artist rukabaliyo?
Nuwenka kabaliye.
Can you imagine? Kadi mtu inabazine beyingi.
I think AI music bengi bulyo maji embracing hawa owangambe the beats ezirimu nkokwe kusoundinga it's what people like.
Really, is it what people like?
Kusoundinga abantu niyo nikyo bakwenda, niyo music bakwenda weyo kugenda like that egg flow. Abokuba like nkobokorora music y'abandi hakati mostly obuyo kusinga antu mahurizo Uganda obokura music yabo nkobagiteya then hati okaiza music yabo doteremo ya AI yentekeze seme kwimucha abazini abato ekaboleka kiky'abantu ekibakwenda
beto my thinking is ebigamba abatoro nibenda muno korogrango ebigambo byabino mulingo babikozeseze in urban tracks akuba AI creates urban tracks timanyo bakino ekinkubaza ndi muningi beraho but AI is full of urban tracks
inengeri hiyo otore ruteiramu abantu bamindingire about nko kweteiremu ebigambo inyo kinkutekereza abo kanora TikTok challenges abantu ezibakora bazikora habwe kizina nko kisoundingire so I think abantu bazikozere habwa ebizina nko kubisoundingire tebamindingira about ebigambo nko kubirimu those urban sounds.
Nyonka tekereza ebigambo kwa it was around in December. Nyine my nephew akantera amaze kure kizina kimwe cyali anti nguja kutina kubaza mabara ikizina cha hey my lover are you ready to mingle nkutwale owaitu Fort Poto kanefyu kanga ukakantera simu kalimuka kakagenzi nyonta gende antira nkaguza jeti apuli oliota bojo kino ikizina wakakihulire ekizina kuno Fort kikwasera akati atinge ngamba kizina kyecho tingimanyire huwa akinzina akabatamanyire title akinzinira muhana kati ngenda YouTube nsera ngenda kusanga omuzini akemera bambi yakora a simple video and this is a nice song though mbere ntakimanyira hati Later did I know that this was AI produced, even written, even sung, buli kimu. Hati obu nagenze kurora the performance of the artist wakana performing ekizina ekyo. Mumuntu gwange I didn't feel happy. But the good thing, good enough for moja akarugayo ya realizing ensobiye. Ya realizing ensobiye. That is why ngambire ngo abatoro bali creative. Awokuwa if Cash Kumba came up ya kwata whatever device he had, it could have been a computer, it could have been a nice phone, and he came up with such. That means we are creative. We are creative.
Hati nichonora like maybe abazini tichakuba tweze kubi. Kugamba ngubani ba producing the AI music. Over producing it, maybe it would be an eye opener.
Yeah, to them.
To them. Okay. Gamba kumensa kinu ni chabantu bakwenda. Habukuba I think it's a big number appreciating that music.
And indeed, yeah.
A very big number.
Hakuba all I know omuntu bwakwata esimu rundi omwisiki wena ondigaye obwakwata esimu akahura akazina ako. Na yangu abango na semerwa na kwata na ka challenge, moreover they don't know the artist.
Otamanye na artist no habitu habukubeka zine cyohuri kikuchamwire.
Wow.
Not gamba music eri abukuba music ino bwire bwayo eyitu akwa most times in the culture I think ebzine
culture music dominating
ino bwire bwayo
eba ya magenyi.
Hati ntwenda nitwe eno music ye kutamura omuntu nicho AI to appreciating it, but I hope nedza kuba kingura amaiso.
I guess you're right by that. You know, I was one of the people who are disappointed nyine obunabongisiza hano mugenyi omo. She wasn't an artist. This person twikara manyire since I'm a producer. Abonje banga bamproducing ira toro. I even try to promote my works. Hati nkaguza omuntu ono bazini kitora abo manyire. And guess what this girl told me? Neke nyini osoko guessing. The headliners abayangambire. These are the people who are they are commonly known. Hakuwa bule magenyi babaho. Akabanza kuntera abayanterire ayesiga ngamba tokirichi ngamba hinda namukaguza tu eni obandi abo manyire. At generation yetu yakona hands, she didn't know anyone. Kati nyo what I did, I just opened my computer and nikakumtera bizina byabazini abando zire saa zinu. Even the music I'm trying to drag kugibatera like kuboleka that ntukura we are moving. Habukuba abantu bano bagamba westerners music waba westerner omanya abamanyisa.
Of course.
It is Mbara side.
Baza abanyankole
Mbara side. Muli munda there is a way how uchandetire ku feeling low. That is why I came up with this idea of creating this podcast. Kugamba let's do this 90% tukoisolve toro limi orweitu. Abaliyo kwa ababe batakimanyire ngo abatoro nitwe our creativity we can put it to another level. Akwa even before I started there is a video I watched no abantu bali ahero the batoro in diaspora nebegesa abana nibahambireza kwega orutoro abantu was of recent nyina abandi abana baine bali Austria akanibegesa akoju njuke mpako yao kaikabe harali but this person kanwa kagani karwega.
So I think it's a very good idea. Abukuba ni nabakuba na girora another na picking interest na manye so abukuba like ideas ezokuba letamu. I think omuntu omugezi at some point naika nagamba I think this idea was good kusikira ali ekyo lesere
omwolekere hongo nikisoboka
ekyo kuba omwolekero
nikisoboka iyo wena runya kuli mukoku runya kuli mu kyaro katuchete mu kyaro habokuba yito sazino tukuba tuli Kampala mu kyaro is a very okay word obora boli toro likatugambe toro. Let me not mention the districts in kezo just no nikisoboka ara abojo abali ninge abali 40 abojo Batoro Nation. They play their comedy on TikTok. You see that this thing is entertaining.
Obankaramu is it true or no?
Z
Yeah, Zed
King Joe.
Zed, King Joe, then arohon guy ndinwa.
Captain Gills.
Niba sonora at least bargire mu comedy.
Never uplifting.
And Nora and Alex bazitunga bokuba they are giving out people ekibakwenda.
True, they are entertaining.
They are entertaining. Hati na music wakati naye music nkokole ogambe akagame abantu benga bokumngaba nosanga paka example impuleza Adzona, impuleza Hinda, impuleza Mzamiru. Hati na Big Dog. So no sanga no garukira hatu okirichi.
By the way, ebyo natukyala hano abakira ninge amumanyira also an artist. Abo ekizina chango kimanyire kinakatocha.
Kimpako yange kini
So guys, ebyo nabikyali aho, please genda on my YouTube page, JT Music Apoli Serekizina Changa Moti, and watch it. Watch it. We are trying to urbanize our sounds and trying to create something nice out of our language. By abazini bengi abali abojo bengi abashaka. Though abakazi ningia we are down. Oina abakazi abatola bomanya abakuzina bei bali benga.
Abakazi hatuba I think Hinda ondi Noah.
Aliyo Zaya Rosette.
Zaya Rosette I think music nkyo kataito muno.
But not common.
Not so common. I think ebya kazi ebimpuliro it's Hinda. Nwe mpuliro.
Yeah. Ati please abesiki but we are going to motivate you people. Tuija kola ntujja kubahambiriza. Let's promote our language, our tribes. Let's promote them. Abokuba ito tutegonze abantu bagenda kutugonza.
Nche chenyine.
Abokuba oborija Kampala oli mtoro fine okejja koro mazire mu emyaka gumu 2 5 10. Oluganda bwora rwega ndi olulimi orundi no batohindukire.
Still baryandiza kwikara obakabasinguze obaki tiri kuhinduka.
That will still be you. Kandi ijuka these people okimanyira abatoro babagonza muno. Nogwa omuganda nagamba bana njagala omukazi omutoro njagala ati kuhura. So abisiki omuleja Kampala muleke kwesereka.
Ati like kusani besereka kana abantu like onwakora na watoto no wanaenda like kwa associating ane betito tukwenda kwa associating ane itwe.
So yo worija don't hide yourself obarakaguzi bali yawa ni wo hati kirungire oyongere hempa amoti nuko bakoma oli mwana mtoro oli wetu nohondo nyo nohonzarwa. Trust me ne babagonza kuno no bora no. No, you don't need to force. To ine kuhambiriza situation.
Tukihambiza nkiza natural. Ati nkanyo mzozi yange nyuma yonanteka ya moti. So buli muntu anyeta moti.
Jeti Apoli. So guys, kirokinu tweheireyo kubakingura meiso binge between and chumba. Amoti Rachel ni mujaguma ni mmorora. This is not your last time. However much it's your first time, Amoti, yeah. Open his eye today. It's a Monday.
It's a Monday.
Abantu bano baragaruka mu ba blessing with your face.
I will try. How we see it to I will try. Owitu sokulema ku creating hawe kintu ekyokwenda.
Exactly. So abantu baitu abo mukantu bagonza abempako banyoro batoro ntu bagonza, and we are welcoming you on our platform. We created this platform specifically for you people kugamba ngu tweimuche. There is a lot to talk about, a lot. Our batoro in the diaspora ntu bagonza muno kandi we want to kubongera mamana. Okimanyira abisiki abaganda bine kigambo babeta abanyakuli in the diaspora, more so Oman, Saudi, UAE babeta bakadam. You get. Nyoche kigamba I kind of feel offensive.
Kinenge
sounding funny.
Like hatuna kirese kigambo kadama like from where?
Abaganda bayiya to bamanyire bakari creating ebigambo.
Nicho bagamengo abatoro obakadama to bakubusoboa.
Beitu abisiki to bamanyire bengi muliyo. So we are here to inspire you, we shall entertain you muleke gamba ngunyo mwagenzero ko timuhulize ebikufa kuno eby'abatooro oborabo karugamuka owanyu tomanyire kikikiriyo yeso turon tujja ku bantu ba updatinga obuturahura orugambo ruwona tujja ku bantu tujja ku bantu bibaza nuko nenyo mbemanyi muleke kure bya Kampala manya bachu obuduuka bwabale harugudo manya nibabona bonesa manya Uganda
tamanyire kikugo wanyu bundi bari basenzereyo wanyu
you get baitu mutera likira nabo wanyu bandi babagonza muneki manyire kandi muleke kwesereka muleke omanyira abandi bagenda oko bahindura n'amasimu tibenda kutera abo wabo kubakaguza bali bata
abandi sana bati nangu baza kubasaba sente nicyo nahulire
mukarugamuka kuhindura muka mukarugamuka kuhindura muka so byona mubikole mumanyi byona nibiweranka muka abo kwa muka teba kujja kutunova
oko noba kuba ikintu kyona still mbakugara
exactly so abantu baitu abempako abatoro banyoro ntobagonza muno amabara JT na hamuna
Kirungirecho Amoti
kiro kino tuize kubahereza umurundi gumu kubasemeza usually mbeni moranyowe but the platform is growing numbers, we are growing numbers nibagena nibatuzora. So guys, I really thank you for the love mtuolekere kandi we promise to give you more. Amoti banzo barage
abatoro n'abanyoro mwebale muno kuliriza mugumze mu following pages zone z'Empako podcast nuko tusobole kuguma tanga so kutatangana physically baitu aho tanga na hamukutu.
So guys, thank you for your time. Tubagonza muno ruhanga batulindire till next time. Murali kurungi musibe kurungi.